Dear students, good morning. In basic mathematics, we take some trigonometric formulas. Okay. Then these trigonometric formulas are sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus sign. Then we take plus here sin. First we take cos. Okay. Cos A sin B. I told you that in sin A plus B formula plus then plus here sin cos cos sin. Okay, and in sin A minus B sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. In cos A plus B, cos A plus B is cos A cos B. here plus then minus अपोजिट साइन आता है यहाँ पर cos के फॉर्मूले में cos cos and sin 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 A sin B then cos A minus B it becomes cos A cos B minus sign then here plus sin A sin B. Now we take formula of sin 2 theta sin 2a sin 2a. We put a at the place of b, then a plus a it becomes 2a, means sin a cos a. If we put b equal to a, then sin a cos sin a, then it becomes 2 sin a cos a. This formula is called half angle formula for sin. Okay, if there we have to find sin theta. If we apply this formula in sin theta, a की प्लेस पर क्या आ गया, थीटा आ गया. Then when here 2a, then यहाँ पर जब आप लिखेंगे थीटा तो उसको हाफ कर देंगे. Then here it becomes 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. इस तरह भी आप इस फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, sin 2 sin 2 theta sin 2 theta is 2. अगर यहां पर 2 theta होता then 2 sin theta cos theta. Then next formula is cos 2a. Cos 2a, if we put a here, a plus a, then cos a cos b means cos a into cos a, cos square a, sin a and sin a minus sin square a. So cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a. You know that this is an identity in 10th class. Cos square a plus sin square a is 1 and cos square a minus sin square a is cos 2a. We can convert this formula in only cos form and in only sin form. We know that by this identity we can write that this cos square a is 1 minus sin square a. Value of this cos square a is by this formula. What is cos square a? 1 minus sin square a. If we put here 1 minus sin square a, then value of this cos square a is 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a. So it becomes 1 minus 2 sin square a. So we can write that cos 2a is also written as cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, if we write in this formula, we write cos sin square a equal to, this is cos square a minus sin square a. Sin square a is 1 minus cos square a. Then cos square a minus 1 minus plus cos square a. Then cos square a plus cos square a becomes 2 cos square a minus 1. So we can also write this formula cos 2 is like that. Cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. So these are three form of cos 2a formula. Cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a, 1 minus 2 sin square a, and cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. By this formula, what is, find the value of sin square a. Then what is sin square a? Shift this in this side and shift this in this side. Then 2 sin square a becomes positive and 1 minus cos 2a. So we can write sin square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. Like that, if we take value of cos square a, then send this a in left hand side, then 1 plus cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a. Then what is cos square a? Then cos square a is 1 plus cos 2a divided by 2. Then sin square a. By this formula we can find the value of sin square a and cos square a. So now we take to another formula. These formula are very important in physics. ये ज्यादा काम में आते हैं. tan a plus b और tan a minus b वाला इतना काम में नहीं आता है. But formula is given tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. And tan a plus a minus b is tan a minus b. Then sign change लेंगे. In numerator we take minus sign. Tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus, here plus tan a tan b. Now we have to write the formula of tan 2a. Tan 2a means here we put a at the place of b. Then a plus b. A plus b means a plus, यहाँ आप a put कर देंगे. Then a plus a becomes 2a. Then tan 2a. Now we also put here a and here a. Then tan a plus tan a means 2 times tan a. 2 times tan a divided by 1 minus tan a into tan a means 1 minus tan square a. This is formula of tan 2a. Okay dear students. Now how we use these formulas in any question? If we have to find the value of sin 2 theta anywhere, then we can use formula for sin 2 theta, half angle formula, that is 2 sin theta cos theta. If we find the value of sin theta in terms of sin and cos, then it becomes 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. जो भी यहाँ पर एंगल होगा उसका हम क्या कर देंगे, हाफ एंगल कर देंगे. ओके. cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. We can also write 2 cos square theta minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta. We can also write sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2 and cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta upon. Okay dear students, these are the important formula of important trigonometric formulas which are we used in physics. Okay, इससे पहले हम क्या पढ़ चुके हैं? We have to find the by the trigonometric ratio we can ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज पढ़े थे हमने, साइन, कोस्टेंट, पंडित, बद्री, प्रसाद, हर बोले, then trigonometric identities, then we have to find divide all angles in four quadrants, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, and by this method we can find the value of angles which have value more than 90 degree, जो 90 डिग्री से ज्यादा एंगल वाले वैल्यू जो होंगी उनकी वैल्यू आप फाइंड कर सकते हैं। जैसे फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन 210 डिग्री। अब फर्स्ट वी सी कि we are in which quadrant, then 210 is in third quadrant, more than 180 and less than 270, then we can write it 180 plus or 270 minus, then we write it sin 180 plus theta 30. Okay, now 180 comes here, so trigonometric ratio is not change, then sin, no change in the trigonometric ratio, sin 30. Now sin is positive or negative in third quadrant, so in third quadrant tan and cot are positive, so this is negative, so minus sin 30, then minus 1 by 2 is the value of sin 210 degree, like that. So we give some examples of these type questions. Okay, so this is trigonometry is finished. From tomorrow we start differentiation, new topic of mathematics, differentiation. Okay, dear student, have a nice day. Thank you.